You cannot use me to have your way, Siddhant. I will do what appears right to me. I will not do it otherwise. What was Mr. Sweetie doing with that girl? Mr. Rao confessed that he has committed all the murders. Then why is this girl so important? What's going on? I'm so very confused.
I'm tired of being indoors. Can we go out?
No, we cannot go outside.
But why? I can never stay inside my room as well. Father De Mello would also scold me.
You can go to the balcony if you need some fresh air, but we cannot go outside.
All right.
Hold on. Don't go to the balcony as well. I don't want anyone to see you.
But why? What's the matter? Please tell me. Why are we hiding here? Why am I in danger?
Hello?
Miss Anushka, I'm returning from Agripalli police station. I've got some information about that girl.
Tell me what you found out.
The first thing that I've got to know is her name is not Radha, it is Kutti. Kutti Krishnamurthy. She's the daughter of a man who owned a coal mine. She's J.K. Krishnamurthy's daughter. But she was kidnapped 30 years ago. And she is missing ever since. Because they couldn't find her, the police have declared her dead. Hello? Miss Anushka, are you listening to me? Let me know if you need more information, okay?
No. I don't want any more information. Let's discuss more after we meet.
What happened? Why are you looking at me like that? Who had called up?
Nothing. It was a call from my office regarding some work. Radha, come here. Let's sit and talk, okay? Sit down. Radha, for how long have you been a part of this NGO?
What do you mean by that? I've been here since a long time. As far as I can remember, I have always been here. But what's the matter? Why is everyone asking about my childhood? See, I don't have a family. I don't have parents either. And I have not done anything.
Look, Radha, I want to help you. That is why I brought you here. If someone tries to find you, then they will never guess that you are here. But you need to answer my questions and you need to tell me the truth.
Ask me, what do you want to know?
What do you remember about your childhood, Radha? Just try to recall, Radha. Do you remember anything about your parents or your relatives? Anything at all?
I remember something very vaguely. The place where my father used to work, it was a very dark place. That place was blackish.
Good. Do you remember anything? Where was that place? Do you remember the name of that place?
Agripalli.
How do you remember that very clearly?
Because I have been saying that name since childhood, and that too repeatedly. When I joined the NGO, everyone used to ask me where I came from. I used to tell them that I'm from Agripalli.
And what about your parents? Didn't anyone ask you about your parents?
They did. And I used to tell them.
Radha, what are your parents' names?
Mom and Dad. I used to tell them that. And usually children would not know their parents' names.
Shh! Don't speak. Who is it?
Anushka, it's me, Riddhi.
I'll be right back. Radha, come here. Thank you.
What's going on, Anushka? Who is she and what are you doing with her?
Sister-in-law, tell me something. I hope you didn't inform anyone about her, right?
No, don't worry about that. But just tell me what's going on here.
Sister-in-law, this girl is like a complicated puzzle, which I am trying to solve it. I'll surely tell you everything at the right time.
Anushka, is everything fine?
No idea, sister-in-law. It feels like we are going to be in a big problem very soon. And I'm only preparing myself for it. I'm also praying that we don't get into this problem. May this just be my misconception.
Brother, your phone is repaired. The mechanic just dropped it.
I got it. I got Sweetie's message. I'm going to Agiripalli. I'll be back by tomorrow.
Where is Agripalli, brother? What do you have to do there?
It's in Andhra Pradesh. That girl and her mother. And I'm very sure after Radha went missing, KK Reddy will go after her mother. And I should reach there before him. Okay.
I kept an eye on her all the time. Miss Anushka didn't step out of her room. She came just once, to the lawn. And that was to meet Siddhant. And then she went back to her room. I don't think she has hit the girl. Or else she would surely go to meet her once.
If she is not with Anushka, then she must be with Siddhant. But the problem is not that girl. She doesn't know anything. The problem is her mother. She knows everything. No one should be able to get to her mother.
Fine, sir.
Go.
Between Radha, Dad, and Mr. Rao, there's definitely some connection. Then how come Dad doesn't recognize Radha? Gosh, I have so many questions and no answers to them. Radha, get ready soon. We have to leave now.
But where, Anushka?
Please come. You will be safe over here. Please.
Where is my daughter?
She'll be here soon. But you have to help me before that. You have to tell me everything about KK Reddy. What happened to your husband? And why did you transfer the colliery to Mr. KK Reddy?
No. I won't tell you anything, nothing. My daughter is alive for all these years because I have remained quiet. But I'll surely tell you everything if you bring my daughter over here. I won't say anything otherwise, nothing at all.
I understand that you are worried for your daughter. Fine. I'll bring her here. You please take a seat. Please. I can't coerce this woman. First, I have to bring Radha here so that she has faith in me and then tells me everything about KK Reddy.
वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां, तू मिले बस तू